What's up, Domination? Welcome back to my channel. So I've partnered with Unice Hair to do this video. I'm just showing you guys my braiding pattern and my leave out. The little braids hanging are my leave out, and then the little ponytails are also leave out for the front. So this is the Unice-Kysiss series. This is their water wave hair, and I believe it's 24 inches. This is the same hair that I used from the last video. So I'm just going to start off by sewing the hair in the back and just going in the back and forth motion. Nothing fancy, literally just going back and forth. So once I've finished sewing the hair in the back end, I'm just going to cut whatever hair is left, and this is how much I had left. I'm going to add that to my ponytail. So I'm just taking down these sections of hair in the front, and I'm just going to detangle it with my denim brush, and then I put it back into a ponytail because I realized that I had to flat iron my leave out. But I didn't show that part, me flat ironing my leave out, because the cord didn't reach where I was sitting, so I had to go do it in the bathroom. But now I'm going to go back into the front part and do my ponytail. I'm just combing down the part where I want to slick down my edges. Next, I'm going to take my diamond drip edge tamer, and I will leave the link somewhere where you can see it easily. And I'm using that to slick my hair up and also to slick down my edges as well. So yeah, no gel or anything like that, because I don't want the hair to wave up too much. Every time I use gel or something like that, my hair always end up looking wavy and curly, and it doesn't match with the bundle texture. So I just like to use my edge tamer because it helps it to get nice and sleek, and it's easier for me. But anyways, I'm taking a scrunchie and just securing that ponytail. It's really like a puff. Then I'm taking this edge control brush, and I'm just going to style my edges the way I want to do them. This step is optional. You don't have to do this step, but I like to do it because it adds a little spice to the style. Also, I highly recommend that you do your hair before you do your makeup, because when I do my makeup, I typically just do my makeup for the videos, but when I do my makeup before doing my hair, the product tends to get mixed in with my makeup. So just do your hair first, that way you won't get edge control all over the perimeter of your face. But now I'm taking some braiding here, just a small piece, and braiding that in to extend my pony puff or whatever, ponytail. And then I'm gonna add a rubber band to the end of that to secure the ends, to just make sure the braid won't come down. And the braid doesn't have to be neat at all. The braid is not going to show, so you don't have to be the best braider. But then I'm taking a needle and thread, and I'm taking the other bundle, which I believe was 22 inches. I'm not sure, but I will link everything in the description box, as well as the link for the edge tamer. And I'm just going to take that and just like wrap some and then sew some. And I'm not really keeping track about how much I wrap. I just wrap probably like, I don't know, like a few times, then sew just to secure it. Now I'm taking a small section of hair from the last bundle that I wrapped on. Oh yeah, let me cut this thread off, and then I'm just gonna brush it out, add some of my diamond drip edge tamer, and then I'm gonna smooth it and wrap around. So basically just make sure you keep it smooth, because if you just keep wrapping and wrapping, it'll look kind of thick and sloppy, and you really want it to look smooth. That's why you see me going back in with my brush and just taking my time with it. And I also added some more edge tamer at the ends just to make sure that it stays smooth and gets that beautiful shine and moisture that you want in there. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, give it a comment, let me know what you think, share this video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys, Diamond Nation, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.